Hey, what's up guys, arcadeGo.com fan here. So, there's, for a while now, since I think like September, things been going on where, so these two here have been competing, and yeah, the gap of like, this is right here is saying the gap subscriber difference is getting very small now, and we need your help. If you haven't subbed to PewDiePie, please do. He needs all the support he can get to stay #1. And I'm just trying to do my part here, since I've been a fan of him for a few years now. Well, back then, I wasn't really. I just subbed to him because I thought, there's this one video he had that I thought was kind of cool. But yeah. Oh, and there's another battle going on though. These two people, I don't really care about that at all. I'm not interested in any of those YouTubers. But yeah, he uses subbot too, along with tseries. This dude. So yeah, he's you know what, to that thing they keep calling him. Oh, by the way, not on this channel, and man, people, they just, even though I tell them not to do sub training, they still do. Here, I'm gonna tell them they're on a video, so I'll see what their reaction is. Because, it's gonna play around with them, see. Because sometimes I just do that. I'm on big chat rooms to see how people react. Okay, no one's really saying anything. They don't really care about, if they're on a YouTube video or not. Okay, well, alright, I'll send the video here then.